In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop sharing a Google Drive file or folder with someone. Now, before we dive in, it's important to understand that sharing permissions in Google Drive allow you to collaborate effectively with others, but sometimes you might need to revoke access for various reasons. Whether you've shared a document with someone temporarily or you simply want to update your sharing settings, I'm here to walk you through the process to ensure your files stay protected. Let's start by opening Google Drive. You can do this by either typing drive.google.com into your web browser or using the Google Drive app if you're on a mobile device. Once you're in, navigate to the file or folder you want to change the sharing settings for. You can do this by scrolling through your list of files or using the search bar at the top if you know the file name. Remember, finding your file quickly can save you a lot of time, especially if you have a lot of documents stored. Once you've located the file or folder, right-click on it to bring up a menu with several options. Look for the option that says Share and click on it. This will open a new dialog box that displays the current sharing settings. Here, you'll see a list of people who currently have access, along with their permission levels. This is where you can control who gets to see or edit your stuff, and it's a good practice to regularly review this list and update it as needed. To stop sharing with someone specific, look for their email in the list. Next to their email, you'll see a drop-down menu that shows their current permission level, such as Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. To remove their access completely, click on the little X next to this drop-down. This action will revoke their access immediately, and they won't be able to see or edit your file anymore unless you decide to share it with them again. After you've removed the necessary users, don't forget to click Save or Done to apply these changes. Otherwise, they won't take effect, and you'll need to repeat the process. It's important to double-check everything before concluding. Just a small oversight can leave your document accessible to those you intended to remove. Once you're done, it's also wise to periodically review your sharing settings, especially for sensitive documents. Google Drive is a powerful tool, but like any tool, it needs to be managed wisely to ensure both productivity and privacy. And that's it. You've successfully stopped sharing your Google Drive file or folder with someone. With these simple steps, you can take full control of who has access to your files at any time, adding an extra layer of security to your work. Thanks for watching, and happy Googling.